Yes, I have just passed the $100,000 FTMO LMAX Ctrader challenge and verification. I sent them over an email, so I should hear back really, really soon. I just received a little bloop at the top of my screen saying my take profit was hit for this NAS trade that I've been in for I think 3 or 4 days now, and it's just been held over the weekend. But FTMO lets you do that on their challenge and verification, which is super cool. So that little thing happened. I checked it out, verified that my account was over the required amount to pass the verification. It now has. It's taken me 14 days. That last trade definitely was my biggest trade. I made $7,000 that one trade. I was down by around $2,000 or so I did need. I was trying to make a bigger trade that I wanted to see pass the whole thing. So the last one was really great. It was more than I think it was like 9-to-1 RRR, and it was a successful trade. So I've just been trying to get those high RRR setups, which is definitely the best way to trade in my opinion. That's definitely what we focus on VVS Academy in the signals. So if you do want to get trades similar to these, like the one that helped me pass the verification, definitely check out VVS Academy. Should be on the screen right now. And that will be the very best place to help you pass the verification as well as the challenge for FTMO, as well as any other broker, or excuse me, prop firm, or just help you grow your normal account if that's really your goal instead. So I would highly recommend that I have been trading options more lately, so I have been focusing more so on the option side, but I definitely am still trading indices and Forex as well. So with that being said, I want to go over what exactly I did to pass the challenge and the verification. So as far as the challenge is considered, I passed in 6 or 7 days or so, and this was a little longer than usual. I haven't been able to find the wave counts as easily lately, but I now can see that they're starting to be much more clear, and I'm able to find them much better now than I used to be able to. So now I've been on a little bit of a hot streak lately with the Academy. Augusto has also been killing it. He's the other educator at VVS Academy. We've both been killing it lately, and we've been killing it. So after that was the 7 trades. Did a couple of trades to 6 or 7 days. Just did a couple other trades to fill it up, and then I started out the verification phase. In the verification phase, I had a little bit of a rough start, as you can probably see by the graph on the screen right now. It was scrolling down. Of course, we all know how something happened with the account, but now it's all resolved, so no big deal. FTMO is definitely a fantastic company. Don't worry about that anymore. They did take care of that. I think, and I do hope that they will take care of it for other people as well if similar situations do happen in the future. No need to talk about that in this video. That's not the focus. But I was able to pass the verification account now as well. And I do think that the NAS is going to go up even more. I actually have a couple of option positions on my personal account for that one as well. So FTMO previously said that they're going to add stocks pretty soon. I'm really excited about that. I definitely really enjoy the stock market in addition to the Forex market, so I'm really excited for both of them to combine, especially with FTMO being such a fantastic broker. So, or I said broker again, I keep saying that. Sorry, prop firm. FTMO is a prop firm, not a broker. But yeah, I sent them over an email, so still waiting to hear the reply. I just sent it over, so no big deal. But yeah, I'm really excited. Want to make a quick video just explaining what happened with my life personally. I hope this inspires you guys to either take out the FTMO challenge or another challenge, or to get started into trading. It's really a fantastic way to make money, and it's fun, it's enjoyable. If you're looking for a community, again, selfless shout outs, gonna put on the screen again, vvsacademy.com. It is the very best place for the community, the signals, the live sessions. We're doing daily live sessions now, either myself or Augusto. We've both been killing it. So again, I really hope you guys all succeed. You can all pass the verification accounts and the challenge accounts from FTMO all together. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.